Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best Tolnaftate treatment is probably one of the most effective solutions for nail fungus. This common condition causes nails to become discolored, thickened, and brittle, leading to discomfort and embarrassment. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Tolnaftate treatments, exploring how they work, who they're best for, and what you should look for when choosing one to ensure you get the best results for your needs. Number 5. Fungi-Nail Antifungal Liquid Solution. This solution is clinically proven to cure and prevent fungal infections. It eliminates toe and foot fungus with maximum strength medicine. The pinpoint applicator helps it reach the infected areas. Protect the skin around your toes and feet from fungus. This antifungal solution kills fungus, stops itching and burning, and restores skin. It's designed to provide relief. This product contains maximum strength medicine, Tolnaftate 1%, to cure and prevent fungal infections. It also includes aloe and tea tree oil to help restore skin health. It's a powerful combination. It's specially formulated with 5 essential oils, including tea tree oil, aloe vera, eucalyptol, olive oil, and lavender. These ingredients work together to provide soothing relief. The formula is designed for your comfort. This antifungal solution is simple, easy to use, and mess-free. It kills fungus, soothes itchiness, and repairs skin with a maximum strength antifungal formula that deeply penetrates. You'll find it convenient. What we like. This product is clinically proven to cure and prevent fungal infections. It uses maximum strength medicine and is infused with 5 essential oils to restore skin health. If you are looking for a solution that combines proven effectiveness with natural ingredients, you should consider this. What people say. My doctor recommended this product, or anything with the active ingredient Tolnaftate. You have to remove as much of the affected nail as possible to get the product onto the skin under and around the nail. Trim off the affected nail, and file the flat plane of the nail so that the product can soak into the nail and surrounding skin. Number 4. Antifungal solution for toenail and nail fungus treatment. This clinically proven solution targets fungus at its source with an easily absorbed delivery system. It's a fast-acting formula that helps prevent further fungal spread. Say goodbye to embarrassment and discomfort. This treatment helps you grow healthy nails, so you can confidently wear open-toe shoes or go barefoot. It tackles various nail issues. The mess-free applicator brush reaches around and under the toenail. This extra-strength treatment dries quickly, is non-staining, and goes on clear. The formula is packed with natural ingredients like tea tree, vitamin E, and omegas 3 to 6. It's a complete treatment with Tolnaftate 1% and is free from parabens and harsh chemicals. We offer a 100% empty bottle money-back promise. If you're not satisfied, contact our support, and we'll take care of it, no questions asked. What we like. This treatment targets the fungus at its source with an easily absorbed delivery system. It helps to restore healthy nails and comes with an easy-to-use applicator. If you want to regain confidence and eliminate embarrassment, this is the product for you. What people say. The discoloration on my toenail is fading, and the nail looks healthier and smoother as it grows out. The formula is easy to apply, just like regular nail polish, and dries quickly. If you use it twice a day and just apply it around the cuticles of the toe or fingernail, it starts to work. Number 3. Fungi-Nail Antifungal Ointment 0.7 fluid ounces. This ointment is clinically proven to cure and prevent fungal infections. It eliminates toe and foot fungus with maximum strength medicine. The dual-angled brush applicator helps to deliver the treatment effectively. Protect the skin around your toes and feet from fungus. This antifungal solution with a triple-action formula kills fungus, stops itching and burning, and restores skin health. It is designed to be applied around and under the nails. It contains maximum strength Tolnaftate 1% to cure and prevent fungal infections. It also includes aloe and tea tree oil to help restore skin health. This combination provides powerful relief. The product is specially formulated with 5 essential oils. These include tea tree oil, aloe vera, eucalyptol, olive oil, and lavender. These ingredients work together to promote healthy skin. It is simple, easy to use, and mess-free. This antifungal ointment kills fungus, soothes itchiness, and restores skin health. The maximum strength formula is deeply penetrating. What we like. This product is clinically proven to cure and prevent fungal infections. It features a dual-angled brush applicator for precise application and restores skin health. If you like a product with a specialized applicator for targeted treatment, you should consider it. What people say. Tolnaftate is effective for treating nail fungus. The product works as described and is easy to apply. It has a good design for easy application. Number 2. Fungi-Nail Antifungal Liquid Solution, 2-pack. Are you suffering from toe or foot fungus? This product is clinically proven to cure and prevent fungal infections. It eliminates fungus with maximum strength medicine. This antifungal solution protects the skin around your toes and feet. It kills fungus under and around the nails. The triple action formula stops itching and burning, restoring skin health. The product contains maximum strength Tolnaftate 1%, which cures and prevents fungal infections. It also includes aloe and tea tree oil to help restore skin health. This solution is specially formulated with 5 essential oils. These include tea tree oil, aloe vera, eucalyptol, olive oil, and lavender, all working together. It's simple, easy to use, and mess-free. The antifungal solution kills fungus, soothes itchiness, and repairs skin. It uses a maximum strength antifungal formula that deeply penetrates. What we like. This product is clinically proven to cure and prevent fungal infections. It comes with a targeted pen applicator for precise application and uses maximum strength medicine. If you are looking for a mess-free and easy-to-use solution, you should consider this. What people say. This product works as advertised. It cleared up the fungus. The product is easy to use. Number 1. FungaBlend 10, Antifungal Treatment for Nail Repair. Developed by podiatrists, this professional strength solution is designed to restore your healthy nails. It penetrates deep to break down the infection and repair damaged nails. This treatment uses Tolnaftate 1% to treat nail infections. It also includes 10 plant medicines for effective results. The brush applicator allows for easy application. Simply apply it to the entire nail. You can also use it with FungaBlend 10 Urea 42% for faster results. This solution dries clear without staining or odor. It helps protect your nails from future infections, restoring your confidence and strong nails. We guarantee happy and healthy nails. Finally, you can find relief from stubborn nail infections with this product. What we like. This product is podiatrist developed and uses 10 plant medicines. It offers quick and easy application. If you are looking for a professional strength solution with a unique blend of ingredients, you should consider this. What people say. Works perfectly. It works better. It dries much faster and doesn't leave an oily residue, which makes it more appealing to use twice a day. My nails are actually getting better. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.